Hi guys, it's Isabella. Thanks for watching my videos. Make sure to subscribe below and hit that like button. Thank you. Hey guys, welcome to my Halloween special. Today I'm making pumpkin spice cupcakes since we can't go trick-or-treating because of the coronavirus. So we're going to carve them and I'm so excited for that bit. Another reason why this video is special is because my brother is going to be helping me. So come make the pumpkin spice cupcakes with me. Hey guys, this is my brother. He's going to help me with the second pumpkin. So first we're going to draw the face and then carve it out. Mine does not look good. Okay, done. Mine has arms and legs. Okay, thanks for helping me, older brother. See you next time. We've carved up the pumpkins and now I'm going to use the flesh to make the cupcakes. Here we have grated pumpkin, kefir, eggs and butter, sugar and flour, some spices and vanilla extra. First I'm going to pour in sugar and butter. That's all the sugar except for the ones that fit it. Okay, now for the butter, I'm going to use a spoon because it won't come out. Beat it for 2 minutes. Yep. The mixing is done, so I'm going to crack the egg. Ew. I'll switch it on to 1 now. This is baking powder, bicarbonate of soda, salt, and mixed spice. There we go. I'm going to start with 2 spoonfuls. Yep. Oh, looks like dough. I'm adding kefir. I'm going to pour a little less than half of it and then mix. Another teaspoonful of flour. 1, 2. Mix again. Yep. Just don't get too close. The rest of the kefir. Mix again. Now the rest of the flour. And mix again. I'm just going to give it a little scrape. Now I'm going to add the pumpkin flesh I took out from my pumpkin. I can't believe I almost forgot the vanilla extra. And now for the final mix. For these cupcakes, I've chosen these Halloween ones. Aren't they so cool? I like the white one. Do you like my Halloween dress? The oven is preheated to 180 degrees. I'm going to bake them for 20 to 25 minutes. The cupcakes have cooled down and don't they look delicious? Now I'm going to ice them. This is the fun bit. This is fun. It's just like a wriggly worm. Whoa. Ah! Ah! Now I'm going to sprinkle them. Okay, they're done and they look really Halloweeny. Now I'm going to try one. It tastes really good. One last thing we're going to do is make little treat bags. I'm going to put these sweets in here. It looks kind of like a popcorn bag. 2 Haribos and 1 of these popping candy. And then I'm going to close it with a sticker. That's it, I'm ready for my Halloween hugger with my family. Thanks for watching guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye, connect the hearts.